One of the main things that made Python this much popular is its simplicity. We don't have to explicitly define data type of a variable while defining it. Python automatically recognizes the data type of the variable while we are declaring that variable. Now let's define some variable like a equal to 1, b equal to some string, and c equal to a bool value like true or false, and d equal to 1.0, a float value. We don't have to explicitly define the data type like int a, string b, bool c, and float d. It automatically recognizes that data type. Now let us print the values of each one. Now let's use print statement to print the values of variables a, b, c, and d. I'm doing it in Google Colab. You can do it in any Python idle. Now let us examine the type of each variable. Like we can use type keyword to know the type of each variable. Let's do it for all variables. Yeah. As we discussed earlier, the Python automatically detects the type of variable. Here a is int like 1, and b is a string, c is a bool value like true or false, and d is a float value like 1.0. Now let's discuss runtime initialization of variables in Python. Enter an input value for variable n. As you will see, the default type of an runtime initialization variable is always a string. So we have next question: how to convert the string input into an integer or a float or a boolean data type as we need it. We can do this using simple type conversion. We can do this by putting int keyword and a pair of brackets around the input statement, and let's run it. Now we can see the type is of int. Similarly, we can convert input data into any desired data type by the type conversion. Let's get an example of that. In the place of int, write your desired data type name, and now let's run that. Now let's input the values of each variable. As you can see, now we had converted each variable into our desired data type like int, float, and bool. Thank you for watching this video, and every code in the video is in the description box. Don't forget to look at that, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.